What if I told you that 5 small companies, most of which you've never heard of, are quietly building technologies that will change the world within the next 12 months? Not theoretical AI, not science fiction. I'm talking about real systems, running in hospitals, factories, and offices, that are rewriting the rules of how we work, heal, and even survive as a species. The year is 2025. The artificial intelligence revolution is no longer a promise. It's the foundation of everything. And the question is no longer, will AI change the world? It's, who will lead that change? And how soon will it happen? In this video, we'll dive deep into 5 AI startups that are doing exactly that. Each one represents a unique frontier: law, infrastructure, healthcare, robotics, and the planet itself. Stay until the end, because the last startup on this list might just save the world. Let's start with the big picture. In 2020, AI was a buzzword. By 2023, it became a boom. And by 2025, it's the backbone of the global economy. Every major industry, from finance to farming, now depends on intelligent automation. But the real transformation isn't coming from the tech giants anymore. It's coming from the startups, small, specialized teams who build faster, think differently, and innovate where big corporations can't. The focus has shifted from bigger models to smarter, more focused systems. From mass data to clean, structured, explainable data. From hype to real, measurable impact. We're entering the era of vertical AI, specialized intelligence for specific problems. And this is where our journey begins, with a company that's giving artificial intelligence something it's never had before: a law degree. Every lawyer, every compliance officer, every contract manager knows the pain. Endless documents, repetitive clauses, tiny mistakes that cost millions. Imagine you're handling a 200-page contract, one ambiguous phrase, and it could trigger years of litigation. That's the reality of the legal world. And until recently, no technology could truly understand the law's complexity. Enter LexiGen AI, a deep tech startup building domain-specialized AI for the legal sector. Their generative model isn't just a language model, it's a legal reasoning engine. Trained on millions of case laws, contracts, and regulatory filings, it doesn't just process text, it interprets it. You upload a document. In seconds, it highlights risky clauses, suggests legally sound alternatives, and explains, in plain English, why. LexiGen doesn't replace lawyers. It gives them superhuman intelligence. Trusted by major law firms in the US, UK, and Singapore. The system has already processed over 10 million pages of legal text with 94% accuracy in risk detection. Their audit trace feature creates a transparent log of every AI-generated recommendation, a must for legal liability. In 2025, with new global compliance regulations emerging, every major firm will need this kind of AI augmentation. LexiGen isn't selling a product, it's creating a new category: AI-assisted law. Building an AI model is easy. Deploying it, keeping it accurate, ethical, and compliant, that's the hard part. Enter CoreAI Platforms, the company creating the operating system for AI, managing everything from data versioning to model monitoring and compliance automation. Think of it as GitHub, AWS, and Datadog, all rolled into one intelligent system, providing the essential infrastructure for AI to run safely and effectively. With over 50,000 developers using their SDK and partnerships in fintech and healthcare, CoreAI is rapidly becoming the industry standard. In 2025, as AI becomes as essential as electricity, CoreAI will be the critical wiring behind it all, ensuring robust and reliable operations. CoreAI doesn't just build AI, it builds the foundational rails that let AI run safely, securely, and at scale. It takes over 10 years and billions of dollars to create a new drug, a process BioMind Dynamics is revolutionizing. Their AI simulates molecules virtually, predicting their behavior before human testing, accelerating discovery by an impressive 60%. This fusion of chemistry, biology, and machine intelligence is a game changer for pharmaceutical research. In 2024, BioMind's algorithms discovered a new compound for rare cancer treatments, now progressing through preclinical trials. This isn't about replacing scientists, it's about amplifying their capabilities, giving medicine a quantum leap forward. BioMind Dynamics is truly at the forefront of medical innovation, transforming how we approach drug discovery and development. Their intelligence is healing, promising a future where cures are found faster and more efficiently than ever before. Robots have power, but not reflexes, until now. EdgeMotion Robotics is changing the game. They build AI that runs locally on device, giving machines instant awareness, even when offline. From warehouse fleets to delivery drones, EdgeMotion's AI reduces latency to near zero and energy use by 20%. If the cloud is AI's brain, EdgeMotion is its reflexes, enabling real-world autonomy with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Their technology is crucial for the future of robotics, ensuring machines can react instantly to their environment. Engineers in a control room monitor robot fleet dashboards in real time, observing the seamless operation of EdgeMotion-powered machines. EdgeMotion Robotics is truly building the intelligence of motion, paving the way for a future of smart, autonomous machines. These three companies, CoreAI Platforms, BioMind Dynamics, and EdgeMotion Robotics, are not just developing AI. They are shaping the very infrastructure and applications that will define our future. Climate change isn't an abstract crisis anymore. It's a daily headline. Wildfires, floods, droughts, billions in damages, millions displaced. And yet, most organizations still lack actionable data. They don't know where emissions are highest, how to reduce them, or when risks will strike. GreenSense AI fuses satellite data, IoT sensor feeds, and predictive modeling into one powerful intelligence layer for the planet. Their platform detects methane leaks from space, optimizes power grids for extreme weather, and helps industries cut carbon footprints in real time. GreenSense doesn't just monitor the Earth, it helps heal it. Partnered with major utilities in Europe for grid optimization. Detected over 1,200 methane leaks via AI analysis in 2024 alone. Case study, a manufacturing client cut energy use by 18%. The future of sustainability isn't in carbon offsets, it's in real-time intelligence. By 2025, every company will need environmental transparency to survive. GreenSense is building the data infrastructure for that new era. Let's pause and zoom out. What connects all these companies? Different industries, different missions. But they all share one core philosophy: focus beats scale. Here's what separates the next AI unicorns from the hype startups that will disappear next year. The 7 laws of AI success. Solve a real pain, not a novelty. Own your data. Without it, you own nothing. Design for deployment. Models that never leave the lab are worthless. Build trust, not just tech. Transparency wins long term. Specialize deeply. Niches create defensibility. Automate outcomes, not tasks. Clients buy results. Stand for something bigger. The best AI doesn't just think, it matters. So whether you're an investor, a founder, or just an observer, watch for these traits. They're how small startups become global revolutions. Focus beats scale. Let's recap. LexiGen AI, legal reasoning engine, transforms how contracts are written and understood. CoreAI Platforms AI infrastructure suite builds the rails for the AI economy. BioMind Dynamics, drug discovery AI, turns decades of research into months. EdgeMotion Robotics, edge intelligence for robots, gives machines human-like reflexes. GreenSense AI, climate intelligence platform, helps the planet fight back. 5 startups, 5 frontiers, 5 glimpses into the next decade of human progress. But this story isn't just about technology, it's about responsibility. AI is a mirror of its creators. If we build it with wisdom, transparency, and empathy, it can solve humanity's hardest problems. If not, it can amplify them. That's why these 5 companies are so important. They remind us that innovation and integrity can and must go hand in hand. The future isn't waiting to be invented, it's already being built by startups like these. If you've made it this far, you're not just a viewer, you're a thinker. You understand that the biggest revolutions start small, with visionaries who see what others can't. So here's your challenge. Which of these 5 startups would you invest in? Which one inspires you the most? And why? Tell me in the comments below. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll create a follow-up. Top 10 AI startups to watch in 2026, the next frontier. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives. Like to help the algorithm share this forward. Turn on notifications because the next big thing in AI might appear here first. AI isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, who's watching closely enough to see it happen?